It was wonderful. Reading the Bible daily, it provides spiritual guidance and sympathetic faith. Now I call our friends to read the Bible. The Bible verse is taken from Psalms chapter 128, verse 5 and 6. The Lord bless you from John. May you see the prosperity of Jerusalem all the days of your life. May you see your children's children keep thee upon his day. Amen. வாசிக்கும்படியாக தெரிந்து கொள்ளப்பட்ட வேத பகுதிகள் சங்கீதம் 128 வசனங்கள் 5-6. கர்த்தர் சீயோனில் இருந்து உன்னை ஆசீர்வதிப்பார். நீ ஜீவனுள்ள நாளெல்லாம் இஸ்ரவேலின் வாழ்வை காண்பாய். நீ உன் பிள்ளைகளின் பிள்ளைகளையும் இஸ்ரவேலுக்கு உண்டாகும் சமாதானத்தையும் காண்பாய். ஆமென். Thank you guys for your lovely words. Welcome spread is a good way to start. Now we call our next to have the welcome address. A very glad morning to all of us here. Therefore, welcome to our student guests. May your time be filled with joy, the beauty of God. First, welcome our legal officer. Strong one to the attitude. Let's stand up. Welcome, sir. Honor is a simple of experience. Now, welcome our astronaut man. Welcome. To be great is great, but to be an specialist and honors. Now, welcome our lovely lecturer. Welcome, man. Respect is very, but honors is given. Now, welcome our lecturer. Welcome, man. State of quality of being morality. Now, welcome our head teachers and our staff members. And my dear friends, to our world population day, celebrate welcome you all. You had a warm and enthusiastic tone. This is the time to have a short speech. I call Abhishekram on the dais. Good morning to one and all present here. I am Abhishekram, studying 4th standard Oxford Metric High School. It's my great pleasure to talk about World Population Day. Established by the United Nations is a reminder of the importance of population issues. It is an opportunity for us to raise awareness about the challenges with a growing global population. As we know, our planet is home to over 7.8 billion people. Today's service is not just about acknowledging these challenges but also recognizing the incredible potential. We can create a world where every individual has the opportunity to thrive. Thank you for being here and for your commitment to making our world a better place. Thank you all.